Driver lang. Pinatay. Hindi pa kasama dito. Ilang daan yan, mga kaibigan?
Identified, unidentified pa.
Hindi pa kasama yung unidentified dito. See, look, ako nagpapasalamat ako sa DILG at sa ating Pangulo ngayon na nakita natin na pwede pala nating i-address ang drug problem na walang masyadong namamatay. I hope that would continue. Sapagkat pag marami pang napapatay dito, wala akong pakialam kung sino ang Pangulo. Iimbestigahan ng committee ito. Why? Because that is human rights violation. Now, ang next hearing po natin, iimbitahan natin the former President Duterte on this hearing. Oh, nagkaroon na ng agreement ang members ng committee. Iimbitahan natin si Senator Bato de la Rosa kung papayag ang Senado na siya mag-appear dito. Not because he is a senator, but because during that time, he was the Director General of the Philippine National Police. Ako naniniwala ako, when you speak of interparliamentary courtesy, pwede silang hindi pumunta when it comes to the fact na iniimbestigahan natin ang pagiging senador nila. But we are investigating the past. Naging Director General siya ng Philippine National Police. Oh, accountability pinag-uusapan dito. Command responsibility pinag-uusapan dito. Hindi lang yan. Iimbitahan din natin si dating Senador Laila De Lima to shed light on this because she knows a lot of things. Oo. Yan ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. Alright. Now, meron tayo ditong mga other PNP personnel. We have invited Colonel Joby Espinido. We have already made a motion to issue a show cause order on them. And we have, andito siya. Andiyan pala, si Joby Espinido. Alright. Oh. Dapat kayo na pa namin tinanong. Alright. Tahimik ka lang dyan eh. Alright. Oh. We have Reynanto Medina. Where is Reynanto Medina? Alright. Can you show yourself here in front? Are you still assigned in Davao? Are you still in Davao? Nakakita ko, Davao dyan eh. Oh. Pinagmamalaki mo ang pagiging Davaoen niyo? Pinagmamalaki mo? Oh. Pinagmamalaki niya. Alright. Lieutenant Colonel Ronald Lau. Andito siya, di ba? Andyan. So we have received a spot report on the Murillo case. Ngayon lang. Meron pala eh. Medyo.
Your Honor, nagkamali. Akala ko po after activity report.
Okay, tamo. Nagkamali ka na naman. Oh, ay goodness naman, oh. Okay. Colonel Espinido, ako, kilala mo ako, di ba? Oh, you would even give me messages on the scriptures. Oh, I know where you're coming from. All right, I'm involved in the war on drugs. Am I right? Colonel Espinido? Okay. So what do you think of what's happening now? Comparing it to the past administration. You are now a director or a commander or what?
No, sir.
Where are you assigned?
Police Regional Office 8, sir.
Where?
Personnel.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I would like you to make a statement now. What do you think now? Do you think that there are really human rights violations in the past administration or not?
Good afternoon. It's everyone, sir. And for me, very appreciated naman, sir, ang committee na to because napapakita lang natin sa lahat na may batas. But
Yeah, sagutin mo muna yung tanong ko before you appreciate this committee.
talk about, sir, sa...
Kaya mo, kilala mo naman ako, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Oo. And I'm not going to belabor my time in this committee if I do not believe in this advocacy. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, you say you're a Christian.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You always give me verses. Binano niya ako sa Sabado. Hindi, sabi niya, kailan ka raw naging Kristiyano?
Matagal since, sir.
Matagal na raw. Oh, kailan?
Ang pagkakilala naman sa Panginoon, sir, since nagkataon na nakakilala ko ang Panginoon, sir, ng pagka
When
Siguro-
did you receive the Lord into your heart? When was that?
I think, kuan sir, mga first grade 2 or grade 3.
Therefore, you're not
Yes.
going to lie in this committee. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, naniniwala ka ba na merong human rights violation nangyari in the past administration?
Yun, sir, I am a law enforcer, sir. I'm not really see or to hear na magdesisyon ako kung mayroon o wala, sir.
I'm
But,
not asking you to make a decision. I'm asking you kung naniniwala ka mayroong human rights violations dito.
As
You-
far as
you
yung
are
narinig
a
naman
believer
natin, sir,
You're a believer of the Lord Jesus and then you're going to lie to me?
no,
Abay, wala na akong panitawala sa iyo. Huwag ka na mag-text sa akin ng Bible verses.
None, sir. No. Hindi naman sa ganun, sir.
Tatanungin mo, sagutin mo ako, Colonel.
There must
Sagutin mo
be, sir.
ako.
There must be.
Because bago ito believe ako sa iyo. Okay? Sagutin mo na ako ngayon. Naniniwala ka ba na mayroong human rights violations nangyari in the past administration?
Mayroon, sir.
Meron.
Meron.
Okay, good. Salamat.